When you grow potatoes either early in the spring or late in the summer for a fall harvest, they're going to develop and show different signs based on the variety. When you see the flowers develop, that means the baby potatoes are being formed underneath, and it's a sign of good health. Not all potatoes do flower, and the color has no representation of what the tuber's color actually is. Whenever you see the flowers die off and the plant begin to turn yellow and die, that is an indication that the tubers are as large as they're going to get, and you can dig them up at any time. You may also see potatoes that have berries on them. These are not edible, these are actually poisonous, and in some form of a defense mechanism, these do contain true potato seeds, which some individuals will save and try to start at the proper time of year based on their growing situation. The best way to start a potato plant is simply with a tuber that has eyes on it and divided in quadrants based on the size of that potato.